Hello. Establish your business, protect your name, and keep your profits. Hello, I'm Tammy Shiambade, Houston-based attorney and creator of Ask Tammy Live, where we discuss the best ways to establish your business, protect your name, and keep your profits. Today, we'll be answering the question, which trademark should I register first, my business name or my logo? Again, which trademark should I register first, my business name or my logo? Now, the real answer is, of course, it depends, like any other legal answer, because we love the gray area. But it really does depend. And we'll talk about why you might want to go with one over another. In a perfect world, the answer would be both. You would want to register both your name and your logo. And as a serious business owner, you eventually should register both. Absolutely, for real. If you have the means to do that at the beginning, do so. But what usually happens is people have to make a decision about money. How much can they invest in their trademark at this time? And oftentimes they're limited and they can only make that decision in one way. And the question comes up, should I do my name first or my logo? Generally speaking, and this is very generally speaking, I would usually go with the name. And I would say register the name because of the way trademark law is set up. See, you're able to decide the different categories, well, not in terms of class, but just in two different types of marks that you can register. You can get a stylized one or a regular character one. A character one means just the text, nothing about design, right? A stylized one deals with the design. So it could be just a logo, or it could be, having your name printed in a particular font. And so that's kind of the difference there. I would say, generally speaking, if you're really in a tight bind, you would have to consider how you plan on using the name and the logo. If the logo is really what goes out there and what people are going to be tempted to use that you're most worried about and is most important, then I would say the logo. But in most instances, the name is actually what's most important, and it's the name that people are more likely to infringe upon. And so it's therefore the name that you usually want to register a trademark for first. Part of the reason is that if you register it as just a regular character mark, you're going to have protection for this name no matter how you design it. So if you happen to change the font or your logo gets a revamp and you've changed the way you portray this name to the world, that name is still protected in any way that you depict it. Okay, so that's why I typically tend to advise people to go with the name first. However, there are instances where you would prefer to go with the logo. And again, that's if your logo is what is known to the world predominantly, then it might be that. There might also be some instances where you're able to actually get some different types of protections that would be better for you, depending upon your case, that where the logo might be more beneficial. There are certain instances where your logo incorporates the name into the design, and based off of how strong the name by itself might be, you might want to consider doing the logo instead. But it's really a case-by-case determination. And again, in a perfect world, you're going to want to do both. So I hope that this question provides some type of clarity and gives you a general answer. Again, I really can't advise you with regards to specifics unless you are someone who's in my office and I'm able to look at your specific situation and your name and your marks and do a true analysis of your specific case. But this is my general answer. So hopefully this points you in the right direction so you're maybe prepared with regards to what you might be asking when you finally sit down with an attorney. All right? That's all I have for you today. If this video has been helpful, please feel free to subscribe to this YouTube page. Additionally, I have many more resources available on my website or on my Instagram page or on Facebook. And if you're someone who's always on the go like myself, you might be a podcast listener. Well, Ask Tammy Live is available on Apple. Sorry about that, just got jumbled up. But Ask Tammy Live is available on iTunes for the podcast, and also SoundCloud, and also Castbox, and also Stitcher Radio. So you have all these different means of listening to Ask Tammy Live on the go. All right? So make sure you follow, check out the website, www.toslegal.com. Go ahead and subscribe, and I hope to hear from you soon. Don't hesitate to drop a line or a comment below and share this with somebody who you think this will benefit. Thank you and have a great day.